Helping a first-time buyer snag their dream home is like being the real estate fairy godparent. Bibbidi bobbidi boo and poof, suddenly they're waving goodbye to rent and saying hello to their very own first home. You can be part of that happily ever after journey, and that's why today's question is, should I accept an offer with an FHA loan? Okay, and here we go. Welcome to Real Estate Unlocked, your questions, our answers. On this channel, we talk about the insider secrets every home seller needs to know. And today's secret is answering a question from Christopher. I've heard to stay away from FHA buyers because they're presenting a weaker offer. Is this true? And for my own clients, I usually say it's absolutely okay to accept an FHA loan. An FHA loan is simply a government-backed mortgage. That's all it is. This type of loan has easier pre-approval requirements that are often used by first-time buyers. So if your home is priced in the typical range that we see for starter homes, you'll very likely receive an offer with an FHA loan. An FHA loan is sometimes better for these first-time home buyers. The approvals are easier, the rates are better, and there's flexibility with their debt-to-income ratios. But as a seller, the appraisal process is a little different, and you might have concerns about having to do more repairs. This is because the buyers are required to move into a quote-unquote safe and livable home. If there are any significant problems like foundation, plumbing, electrical, or roof issues, then your house could get flagged by the appraiser, and then you'll receive a list of lender-required repairs. Then the issues must be fixed prior to closing, or the deal could be off the table completely. But there's an easy solution to this. Sell your house in the condition that you would expect to buy it if you were the buyer. And for the most part, we all want to find a move-in ready home that doesn't have a long list of unhandled repairs. So to answer the question, an FHA loan is every bit as viable as a conventional loan, and you'd potentially be helping a buyer with their very first home purchase. Well, those are your tips for today. Thank you for joining Real Estate Unlocked, your questions, our answers. My name is Remy, like Do Remy. I'm an award-winning designer, a best-selling author, and a top-producing real estate agent who's worked across 4 states. If you have a question for the team about getting ready to sell your home, maybe what repairs to do and what not to do, staging, tips for a quick sale, or how to put more Do-Re-Mi in your pocket when you sell your home, we are standing by. Simply leave your question in the comments section or contact us through the email address below, and we'll get you an answer typically within 24 hours or better. We look forward to chatting with you soon, and thank you for clicking on that subscribe button below this video.